Hospitals should not only look for where they're failing, they should also look where they're achieving great things. The initial steps that hospitals should take after they've collected all of that response data is to have it compiled. We want it in a usable format. We want it in tables, we want it in graphs and charts. We want to see benchmarking with that data so that you can kind of gauge, or hospitals can kind of gauge where they are with the AHRQ national benchmarks and how they're doing internally, a unit versus the entire hospital or a unit versus another unit. You want to be able to take the pulse on how you're performing, and that's part of what DataGen does. In addition to collecting the survey responses, we also compile that data into usable format, graphs, charts, tables, a debriefing tool so that you can see a snapshot of exactly where you are as a hospital and how your staff feels you are performing in the culture of safety. At DataGen, we make the data easily digestible, actionable, so that hospitals can locate areas for improvement as well as areas for praise.